Good day, everybody. Ricardo Mendiola, credit and real estate expert. Today, I want to talk about cash out refinance. So, what this is basically the equity that you have in your mortgage. You could pull it out. You could borrow it from the bank. Okay. So let me give you an example. So let's say you purchase a home for $300,000, and let's say 5 years into having that home, the value of that home goes up to $350,000. And let's say over those 5 years, you pay down your mortgage from $300,000 to, let's say, $275,000. Okay, so that means that you have $75,000 in equity. Well, a lot of people don't know this, but the bank will let you take out that equity. It's called a cash out refinance. Get with the mortgage lender, okay, to find out the specifics. But typically they want you to leave 20% equity in there. So if it's your primary house that you live in, you have to leave 20% equity in there. But the difference between what you owe and leaving 20% in there, you could take that out. It's called a cash out refinance. I hope this helps you out. If you have any further questions, do not hesitate to call me. Thank you.